So you're telling me this product can fix your old scratch I gave up on life wooden floor in minutes, and I'm supposed to believe that without raising one eyebrow? Well, I try to dig deeper into Floorevive so you don't waste your time or worse, your money. If you're here, you've probably seen those too good to be true before and after clips, and I had the same question: is this actually legit or just another internet magic trick? Let's break it down. Floorevive is marketed as a quick floor restorer. No sanding, no heavy tools, just apply it and boom, your floor looks brand new. Sounds amazing, right? Almost too amazing, because normally restoring wooden floors takes time, effort, and proper finishing. Here's the honest part: products like this usually work more like a surface polish or temporary shine enhancer, meaning, yeah, you might see improvement, but it's not actually repairing deep scratches or damage. It's kind of like putting a filter on your floor. Looks better at first, but the reality is still underneath. And here's where it gets concerning. Floorevive has a low trust score online, which raises red flags about reliability, consistency, and long-term results. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should be careful. If your floor could talk, it would probably say, "Thanks for the glow up, but I still need real help." So is Floorevive worth it? If you just want a quick shine for lightwear, it might do something. But if you're expecting full restoration like those ads show, yeah, that's where expectations crash. Bottom line, don't fall for perfect before and afters, always question it. And if you want real results, sometimes the old school methods still win. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.